Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use TikTok on your Android device for beginners. Whether you are curious about the latest trends or what to start creating on your own content on TikTok, this video will guide you through all the basics and everything you'll need to know to operate the app. So let's go ahead and dive into the step one by one. Step 1. Downloading the application. First things first, grab your phone and open up your Google Play Store. Now, in the search box at the top, type in TikTok. Once you find the TikTok application in the search result, tap on the install button to start downloading TikTok on your Android phone. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed. TikTok is a short-form video sharing application where users can create and watch videos ranging from 3 seconds to 10 minutes. It has now become a global phenomenon, especially among younger demographics. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Soon after the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to launch Open TikTok on your Android phone. Step 2. Signing up for TikTok. Soon after you launch Open the app, you will need to tap on Agree and Continue. Choose your interest from the list available on the screen and tap on the Next button. You can also choose to skip this step for now by tapping Skip. Now, you can tap on Start Watching and you will then end up in the For You page of TikTok. You can continue watching TikTok as a guest by scrolling from the For You page, or if you want to start creating your own content from TikTok, you will need to create a new account. From the main homepage of TikTok, go to the Profile tab at the bottom right corner. Now it'll show you an interface where it says Login to TikTok. If you are new to TikTok and you'd like to get started, tap on Sign Up at the bottom. Now, you can use phone or email option, continue signing up for TikTok with Facebook, or continue with a Google account. Choose any one option you'd like to get started with, and enter your phone number or your email address to sign up for a TikTok account. You can select any one options from phone number or email and tap on Continue. On the next page, you will need to create your password. Enter a password that meets the criteria displayed on the screen. Once you are done, tap on Next and enter your birthday information on the next page. After you do that, tap on Next and enter a nickname for yourself. If you skip this step by tapping on Skip at the top left, you will be automatically assigned a default nickname. After you are done, you will then end up in your profile page for your new TikTok account. Step 3. Exploring interface. Soon after you are done creating a new account, you will then end up in your main homepage of TikTok. This is the For You page we saw earlier as soon as we opened up the application. Here, you will be able to discover a specific content, hashtags, or users. From the page, you can go ahead and access your Friends tab by tapping on the Friends button, allow necessary permission to access your contacts so that you can find your friends on your TikTok account. It'll then showcase some of your friends or some of the people you may know, considering the information from your profile. To follow someone on TikTok, tap on the Follow button right next to the name. You can also connect with friends by choosing one of the messaging application from the display. Add a new friend by tapping on the plus icon at the top left and enter a name of your friend that might be on TikTok. After entering the name, it'll then be able to show you a list of contacts that matches your search criteria. Once the application showcases the search result, you can then select a contact and get to their profile. You can then interact with your friend's profile, view their contents, and much more. From the plus button at the bottom of the screen, if you tap on it, you will then be able to create your own recording, allow necessary permission, and with the help of your phone's camera, you can go ahead and start recording your own video. Tap on the Inbox button at the bottom of the screen, and in this section, you will be able to see your notifications, messages, mentions, and much more. From the Find Friends tab, follow the friends you'd like to add on your newly created TikTok account. The Profile button at the bottom right-hand corner is where you can see your uploaded videos, followers, and following list. You can set up your profile, add a bio, or upload your profile picture from this page. Step 4. Creating your first video. The next step is to start creating your first content. Tap on the plus button at the bottom to get creative. Now you can choose. If you'd like to record a video, select the recording time for your video by choosing from the options. You can also post photos and text as your content on TikTok. Start creating your content by tapping on the red record button, or if you want to upload an existing one from your phone's gallery, tap on upload on the right corner. Allow necessary permissions for the app here again, and then from your camera library, select your video or your content by tapping on it. Now once you selected a video or a photo, tap on next at the bottom right. You will then come across to your video preview page. You can now add sounds, effects, filters, stickers, texts, and other elements to your video. Make sure that you explore all of the necessary elements from the preview page, and after you are done with your edits, tap on the next button at the bottom right. Step 5. Add flair and share. After you are done recording or importing your video, you can also further edit your video, or if you're happy with your creation, simply add a caption in the post page. Make sure to create more informative content. You can write as much details with 4,000 characters in the post tab. Make sure to mention someone in your video or your content. Use hashtags that can help others discover your videos. After you are done with everything, you can also adjust the privacy settings. For example, who can view your post, who can comment, duet, stitch, and more. Finally, tap on the post button at the bottom right to share your video with the world. So those were some of the basics you can use in order to start using TikTok. Find your contents that you are passionate about, explore different contents categories, and find something you will enjoy creating. Make sure to engage with the community by liking and commenting on their videos, participating in challenges, and responding to comments to build connections. Experiment with different styles, sounds, and effects to find what resonates with you and your audience. So those were some of the beginners' steps you can take in order to start using TikTok on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.